Alright, I am at Castle Mound in Black River State Forest. So here's the state forest. Castle Mound is over here just outside of Black River Falls, right near the interstate and off of Highway 12. So I'm going to go check out the hiking trails. They do seem to have quite a bit of elevation change, and there is an overlook that I am hoping is open. Not everything has been open lately. There is also a campground here. They got the shower building is hiding over there. This is just the parking area for the trails. So the shower building for the campground is there. It is the only campground, state campground in the state forest that has a shower and actually running water. The other ones just have water pumps. And the campground is over there, and we'll do a tour of that probably in a different video. I think I'm going to break these into multiple videos. So let's go see what's out in that nature trail. Check out how this tree is trying to negotiate its way around the rocks. I think the rocks win. When they talk about natural terrain, this is what they're talking about. Which path? So that is the actual trail that takes you to the real overlook. Let's see what kind of view we get. Well, the good news is the observation is open, so I'm going to get on up there. Well, now that I've taken in the view, I gotta go down that. Thanks. So I came up the trail down there and went off that way to get to the observation point. It is at the top of that formation. You can barely see the railing up there to know that's the one. Well, I just got down from the scenic overlook and all those rock formations, and now I'm taking the more gentle path of the nature trail through the woods that goes around the rock formations. So I'm on the quiet side right now because the interstate is on the other side. One of the rare moments here where I can actually kind of see the bluffs, the rock formations behind me from the lower trail. So I just finished walking the nature trail here at Castle Mound. The lower loop trail is, a little longer. What I did discover is it's where all the mosquitoes are. If you go up into the rocks, which if you stay at the campground here is a definite must, you must go visit that. I didn't have the bugs up there, so it's really kind of pleasant. You can take your walk at your own pace, enjoy the trip, and it is a bit of work to get up there. Take your time, look over the info boards, and get up there and enjoy that view.